Welcome back. It's been a while since we've done a full video, so I figured I'd show you this beautiful specimen of someone else's handiwork that we're fixing today. Willie's wagon. It's got a lot of cool parts on it. LS. I think it's got an Atlas underneath of it if I remember right. Cut down axles. It's got a bunch of fancy stuff in here. Big old Holly screen. Bunch of push button stuff. Not our build, but it's our job to fix it. So when this was done, this tailgate's now on an actuator and they wanted this factory detail put back in it. Well, we have the original piece and we were just going to section it in to the tailgate they had already made, but come to find out, it's a nice shiny piece of aluminum right there. That's somebody siliconed to the steel. So Andy's working on getting all this stuff popped off here. We are going to fix some of the lovely fabrication work on this tailgate here too while we're at it, because it's, yeah, love it. So that means we're going to be tracing out that piece on a new piece of sheet metal, busting out the bead roller again. It's the second time in like a week. Normally don't get to use it a lot. There's lots of stuff going on around here. Matt's been sitting outside for a while. We've been doing handrails galore. There's a set of custom headers for this little, what is a fiberglass 41 willies. Those will all get TIG welded together. This is why we can't have nice things. Yeah, so here's that factory piece. I said we're gonna replicate this the best we can with our poor little bead roller over there. So it's not gonna be 100%. It's not gonna be as deep as this, I know for a fact, but it's gonna have that body detail in it. And as you can see, this piece is nice and custom and used. So it would have needed some serious work. There's a bullet hole in it. Oh yeah, there it is. So it would have needed some serious work to make it perfect anyway. So let's get rolling, see what we can do. All right, so we got to make these body lines line up from side to side. So I think we're going to do some carpentry work here.
About the center of the top one?
The screws are in the way. Go to the center of the middle one.
Okay.
Sure it's not, that string's not rolled down coming around that corner. That looks a little better.
Yeah, that looks pretty good right there.
Okay. Yep, looks good. I just know the line started to pull uphill. So we'll take this back over to the bench. Now we have a mark to go off, but we know that's our center one. So we'll draw that line, then we'll draw these out, and we can measure off these panels here. Go from there. Got a bunch of the bead rolling in this, or what it needs. Like I said, it's not quite as deep as the factory stuff, but that's stamped. So this is something I like doing, but it's not something we do a lot of. So not as proficient at it as I would like to be. But we got some holes here. The inner holes we're going to mount to the frame on the truck. These outer holes, we're actually going to put a 10 gauge lip, add some thickness to this so it doesn't bend, and then it'll look like it's the factory piece was rolled, outer sheet was rolled over an inner piece, so it makes it a lot thicker. So we're going to add that to it, and that's actually what Andy's doing here, is drawing those up and get those cut out here. And then we will get them put on the frame. We added these little backers here, so this will butt right up to it and sit nice and tight there. Don't know if they will want us to get rid of this lip here, the seam between the two, or not, but like always, we use a weld through primer. So I'm gonna clean these up here real quick, primer those. Don't want to have anything to be able to trap moisture and rust in between this, so we'll spray the back of that panel also when we put it in. So let's get after it. All right, guys, well, got this thing all done, dropped off here, paint shop. Doesn't look too bad. Let's go see if we're gonna load something else up and take it home. All right, guys, didn't pick anything up at Revival Resto Mods. The car we needed was buried, so they just did some other work on another car that didn't have tires or wheels, so we left it there. We'll pick it up next week. Got some turbo piping to do on a Malibu, so that'll be kind of fun. Up here in the home garage with Princess, just doing a couple small things on her. I had a window that this window was not wanting to roll up and down smoothly, so fixed that this morning. Also had a little bit of a dribble on the rear axle down there, so snugged everything up down there. We use those Lock-Right, Lube-Tight, or Lube-Right gaskets on all those, so snugged it up a little bit. Should be good. This thing's about ready to go. I think I'm actually going to take it out and put some miles on it. This weather we're having in January here is insane. January. It's December, right after Christmas. Anyway, I think I'm going to do that, so you guys might see this cruising around. We'll see. Like always, guys, like, share, subscribe. Make sure the notification bell's on so you don't miss anything. We've always got something going on. Always got some project we're working on here. If you want to see it, make sure that notification bell's on. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. That panel was kind of fun to make. Hopefully we can get into doing some more of that. So, yeah. Till next time, guys. Keep building awesome stuff. See you later.